once more, I mean, this gets right to the heart of the matter on due process and the presumption of innocence. It makes it right. It corrects the great injustice that's built into this bill intentionally, which we all have a natural right to enjoy. In fact, I'm not an attorney, as you all know. So, with a grain of salt, I mean, I do have Google. So I'm going to confess to knowing how to Google things. And there have been Supreme Court and other court cases where similar schemes have been overturned as a violation of due process, where an individual is, albeit rebuttably, presumed to have done something or possessed something. There were some marijuana cases in the 70s, murder case in the 60s. The courts will inevitably rule on this. And as they consider it and as it winds its way through the system, all of our constituents are paying for it. They're paying to defend, for the state to defend against the actions of an unconstitutional bill, of a bill that twists and perverts due process and the presumption of innocence. Well, I almost just said I'm shocked. I guess I'm not. I would ordinarily be shocked to know that this room is going to pass a bill that removes due process based on the history of this room, particularly the contemporary history in the past 10 years or 6 years or so, where such an emphasis has been placed on righting the wrongs that are inherently built into the criminal justice system. And here we are instituting another wrong into our criminal justice system. If it weren't so darn sad, it would be laughable. But no one's laughing because a technical violation of this law, unknowing, unwitting, will ruin a person's life. And it's up to them to prove a negative. That there's not more outrage in this room blows my mind. Thank you, Speaker.